name is Williams. Today is a new day and another day for us to begin an episode on CCTV camera installation. Yes, CCTV camera has become one of the most popular on the market. Yes, and it's one of the most secure security too. So many companies, institutions, homes, and schools deal with this CCTV camera for monitoring and security purposes, and it's more safer, yes, than employing a security guard. The first thing I want to talk about is the installation. Yes, the installation of CCTV cameras in our homes or offices and institutions deals with CCTV camera, the DVR, Cat6 cable, and your working tools. Yes, we have been wondering how CCTV camera is installed. Yes, I am a technician and I have worked so much knowing and understanding CCTV cameras, all kinds, the wireless and the cable. Sometimes we wonder if our homes where we think they are running of cables and those things, we have so much CCTV cameras. Some are wireless and PTZ, and this modern world of ours, we have to stay more vigilant on our properties, on our possessions. Whatever that you do, remember your safety first.